Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to apply leave in ESS. On the home page of your ESS, click on the leave icon under Apply New. Click on the leave type you would like to apply. Select the start date and the to date of the leave availed. You can avail full day by selecting full day leave or half a day by selecting either the first session or the second session. Mention the reason for applying leave. You can attach any supporting document with respect to the leave application if required. Click Apply for Leave. Once the leave request is raised in ESS, an email notification will be sent to the reporting manager for approval. You will also receive an email that the leave approval request has been sent to your manager. On approval or rejection from the reporting manager, you will receive an email to your registered email ID. The notification on the approval or rejection will be displayed on the right-hand side under Notifications. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.